Hey guys, welcome back to another session of Face Labs Masterclass, and today we are here for another special edition. We are here with Selva sir, a professional bodybuilder who's going to be putting through a crazy upper body workout. Stay tuned to see what kind of exercises are best for the upper body and also follow them and the best form available.
Hi, so my name is Selva. So I'm a professional bodybuilder, Mr. Bangalore and Mr. India. So we'll go through for workout upper body today. Some good. Okay. Facing up. Facing up. Full facing up. Are you available? Yes. Now. Relax it down. Okay. Oh, okay. So, relax it down. And out. That's it. Throw it down. Yes. Throw it down. Throw it down. Throw it down. Oh. Just first, so just keep it over like this and just make it wider like this so that you get proper posture for your upper chest. So just when coming everything up, so just focus elbows are there, right? Just should come like this to your lower chest, right? Up. So don't arch like this. So just lock your shoulders and bend your lower back and come down. Set your chest fully, completely and up. Just within, breathe out. Within, fully contract your muscle and chest up. And continue. Yes. Here, so that we're getting the right pressure. Block your shoulder. Up. Stop. Up. Don't block it. Another muscle. If you block, you go to your front head. Yes. 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 Stretch. Stretch. Up. Up. Posture. Yeah. Put thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. So lock your shoulder tightly. Make you engage your chest. And come down. Full chest. Go down. No, don't arch like this. Okay. Just lock your shoulder. Come down. Up. Stop. Not 100%, 90%. Up. Stop. Yes. Breathe out. Out. Yes. Use the push. Up. Yes. Up. Up. Yes. Up. Just lock it. Then, so arch your back, lock your shoulder, and you have to come down and stretch completely to your lower chest. And you have to contract your muscles and you have to push. And same as this, you come down and stretch. Same. Stretch your chest. Just this is a decline press. Okay. When you are lifting the bar, you have to lock your shoulders backside. Okay. To your real depth, and you have to come knee to your lower chest, and lock your shoulders, and you have to pull it to your lower chest. Yeah. Shoulder. Elbow close. So to your lower chest, right? Exhale here. Push from there itself. Yes. Push it there itself. This you have to drop under this. Good. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Drop under this. Yes. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Up. Yes. Lock it to the back side of this. Like this. Yes. Up. Stop. Yes. Wait in. Up. Wait in. Slow down. Up. Slow down. Take it up here. Line.
Oh, line with thumb line with it.
The line here. The line here.
Okay, so you can get
Down. Within. Up. Off your shoulders. Yes. 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 Oh. That's it. Yes. Yes.
good side. Guys, lat raising 20 kg dumbbells. That's why he's the bodybuilder, and we just come to the gym for fun.
Okay, engage your, put your shoulders down, open your lat. Now, lift it up. Yes. Yeah, you have to turn around like this.
Okay, turn.
Okay. Up, back straight. Yeah. Put contract your muscle. Open your lat like this. Yes. Now, up. Turn. Yes. Yes. So elbow should be up, so down, dumbbell should be down. Okay. Lift it. Okay. Yes. This is the perfect. Lift it. This should be facing down. Down should be up.
Okay. Okay, this should be
Yes. Yes. Open your lat. Open your lat. Yes. Okay. Up. Just open your lat. Up. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Engage. Yes. Breathe. Out. 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 Up. Yes. Up. Yes. One more. Over. Yes. Focus. Over that. Yes. Up. Wait. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. See the muscle. Yes. 9. Up. You go for that like this. Okay. Yes. So drop your shoulder now. Open that now. Okay. Drop your shoulder now. Yes. This is the right posture. Yes. Stretch fully complete. Your elbow should stretch completely.
Oh yeah,
Down.
on the
Down. Yes. Perfect. Down. That's it. Yes. 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 Down. Facing up. Down.
good set, guys.
So this is not for beginners. This is like more experience goes in and for that. Yeah. Walk in the edge. So move it. Yes. So go back. Come back. So just lock your shoulders. Back. Over and back. Okay. Just pull it. Pull. So don't go front. Okay. Just lock your shoulders. Okay. Just sit your elbows full completely up. Pull up. Yes. Drop your shoulder down. Yes. Pull it. Same. Sit fully. Pull. Yes. Drop your shoulders down. Facing up. Body straight. Body straight. Complete body straight. Pull up. Yes. Drop your shoulders down. Yes. Engage. Yes. Switch completely. Elbows you have to switch completely. Pull it now. Shoulder down. Yes. Down. Yes. Down. Oh. Yes. Super. Same. On sits out. Sits muscle sits out. Look. Yes. Proper. Shoulders up. Down. Yes. Drop your shoulders up. Yes. Sit up very well. Up. Little more up. Pull up. Yes. Yes. Down. Up. And put your shoulders down. Open a lat. Okay. And so don't get up like this. So just be down. Yes.
Okay.
Lock it. Lock it. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Come up fully.
Yes.
So drop your shoulders down fully, and so just lift like this. Ah, yes. Yes. Up. Yes. Up the stitch fully. Yes. Off. Yes. 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 Yes.
Oh, good. That was good, guys. Back done. Your mid and rear delt done. Moving into arms now. Starting with hammer curls.
Most of the people do wrong. This they lift like straight like this. That is really long. You have to close whip like this, and you have to come down. Yeah. Lift now. Close it. Not too much. And widen. So close this 100%. Okay. Just keep it 90%.
Okay.
And lift it up. Forward. You go forward. Then go forward. Close it. This should be
Oh,
forward.
here, okay.
Okay. And switch over there itself.
Oh,
Don't come down.
Okay, here.
Yeah. Up. Down. Switch over there itself.
Okay.
Close now again. Close. Come again. Over there itself. Don't come
Oh,
down.
yes.
System. Yes.
Yes.
Up. Close it. Yes. 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 Hold tight. Yes.
Feels.
So elbow forward and close. Okay. And stretch over there itself. Up. Yes. Up. Yes.
So what you're saying is hammer curl should be mandatory in all our full workouts.
Yes.
Because it improves the size of your arm.
Size and your symmetry.
Symmetry.
Yes.
Right. Keep that in mind, guys. Hammer curls inculcated in all your pull days, all your upper body days, all your arm days. Let's get into another sit. Very good. front. Not over. And up. Elbow forward. Elbow forward. Yes. And down.
Up.
Vertical. Correct. Huh?
Yes. Up. Inferior sitting up.
Yes. Properly.
Yes. Yes. Up. Yes.
Elbow forward. Elbow forward. This is a partial.
Yes. Now come back. Come back. Come back. Okay. Put your elbows forward. Okay. Just step now. And open your elbows. Okay. This should be facing down. And wait one second. Push from your elbows, not here. Push from your elbows. Full. This should be facing down.
Yes.
Come again. Back. Push from your elbows. Push. Yes. Open your elbows fully. Open like push from your thighs. Yes. You should be facing down. Yeah. And up. Yes. Push
Oh
from your
yes,
elbows.
yes. Good.
Here, push from your elbows.
Oh, if tricep look.
Push from your elbows. I think maybe
Hey, correct no?
you have to push it.
Oh yes.
Push it wrong way.
Every?
Shoulders down.
Okay.
Lock. Now push from your elbows. Open your elbows. Push down.
Yes.
Push up. Okay. You have to push forward.
Oh.
You can see my tricep now. Yes. 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 Stretch completely up and forward. You have to not like this. Just you have to push forward.
Forward. Okay.
So elbows, you have to push it.
Fine.
So most of the people use downwards. Okay, it's not should be there. So when you want to hit your this, don't be like this. Lock your shoulders down. Okay, then focus your elbows fully and up. And again down. Step and up. Yes. Yes. Up. Yes. Come back. Okay? Yeah, open your elbows. So close your arms like this. Okay? Now, same, close your elbows. Upwards. Close your elbows. Open now. So opening, close like this. Just open now. Focus on your elbows, not your wrist. Focus on your elbows. Come down. Close it. Hold. Close it now. Lock it. Open now. Yes. Close. Yes. Focus on now. Close. Yes. Not close. You have to open it. Open. Yes. Just like this.
I just did chest and triceps again yesterday. completely sore. Day 4 yesterday was full day as well. So, how many days rest do you think should be between each workout? 48 hours. So, guys, please don't do what I'm doing. I'm doing this because sir is only free today. But you know what? That's why we're going very light today. Make sure that the muscles have to recover. But my next session is going to be after 48 hours only. But make sure that listen to what sir has said through the session. It's going to be my last set of the day. Let's get it here. 3, 2, 1.
Lock your shoulders here. Yeah. Left now. Yes. Open it. Straight up. Close it. Yes. Up. Correct. Yes. Up.
Guys, that brings us to the end of this session, and it was an absolute killer. Considering the fact that I'd already done pull and push right before this with such less recovery time, how do you think I did for today?
Quite good. Very good soreness you have in your body. So that's good.
Yeah, for all the soreness, he says I've done well, so you know, very happy for me. So, sir, lot of kids these days, right, are getting into the use of steroids. You know, just because they want to build a bigger body. What do you have to say about it?
So right now, like, you know, under 80 people and all, they are using Dynamo.
Sorry?
Dynamo.
Dynamo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So most of the people are using that. That is very bad for your liver.
Liver.
Yeah.
Right.
And it affects your kidney also.
Affects the kidney.
So people used to take that, but that doesn't take much water.
Okay.
And whatever necessary of your liver and kidney, whatever tablets required for that, so they are not consuming anything.
Okay.
So that will affect your future. So better avoid these things. So that's enough. Go with guidance, proper trainer. You know, so many Indian people are proper trainers, are certification trainers. So go with them and the training. Participate in the competitions.
So only if you have to participate in competition,
Yeah.
something professional, use steroids.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's no need of
No,
it.
proper your protein intake, whatever your goal is, maintaining calories. If you are losing your weight, go with that, maintaining calories. Okay, you can achieve your goal.
Right.
More protein.
More protein.
Yeah, you have to consume more good fat
Good fat.
and fiber.
So what is this good fat exactly? What sources?
So good fat is like you get in the ghee.
Ghee. Okay.
So and yolk.
Yolk. Egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
Okay.
And you'll be getting almonds also. You'll be getting.
Almonds.
Yes.
Perfect. So whole foods, which are good source of protein as well as good fat. You
Yeah.
consume all this.
Yeah.
You do your normal workout.
Yeah.
That should be more than enough.
Yeah, more than enough. If you want to participate in the competitions and all this, then go with another guidance.
So what I was trying to say is, unless you guys are participating in some professional competition, the use of steroids is completely unnecessary. And only, you know, if you're participating in any professional competitions, under proper guidance,
Yeah.
certificated trainers, you know, you could probably use them, and that too in limited amounts, right?
So limited, like they're more like going with the trainer, right?
Right?
So they will tell you how much you take per week,
Per week.
yeah, per month, how much you do that. Depends. They are cycling. The trainer will decide.
Trainer will decide,
Yeah.
right?
I can say like a normal person, I can tell okay 3 days in a week, 1 month in a week. That's not perfect. So go with guidance.
That is. So, and also, what would you like to say about fitness and how important it is in everyone's life? The gym.
So right now the people like most of the people you can see that like obese levels are there.
Obese levels.
So they are in under diabetes and even female also thyroid problems will be there.
Thyroid
because
problem.
of their not proper diet.
Not proper diet.
Yes. So please go for them. So avoid these things and all.
Right?
So this is life in the life much important than fitness.
Right.
Okay.
So,
please go for
so
don't be in this trap and all like obese levels and all.
obese levels. So guys, keep fitness as your first priority. body, mind, very important. Regulates your mind as well. So it's very important for your mental health. Come to the gym. You know, maybe you'll see us Selva in the gym.
I'll be in the gym next.
We are the gym
Anytime.
guys. And we'll be seeing more of Selva sir and Fazer. So thank you so much, Selva sir. It was an absolute pleasure working out with you. Thank you.